and then add the image node, and then write something down, like Samsung. Or you can do the same without using your fingers. There are gestures in the pen where you can get your menu up there and add the image. It's the same. And then you can add a note. The note is print, and you can look at it. That's it. It's really easy. Other things you can do with the phone, tap it for your note.
这样会不清楚吗？还是太大了，要不然你用密码锁。
Or you could watch all the gestures you could use. Well known from the Samsung Galaxy Note 1 screenshot.
三星的 Galaxy Note 2承袭了上一代 Note 的优点，就是所谓的
Do the one with the video when
you're watching the video.
When you're watching the video and then you go to the
Yeah,
line.
of course, there's no problem. Wait, we have to go to the gallery.
就不用拍它，
Video.
就直接拍我的脸。
Select one. That's a pop-up play. And the feature they're talking about is you can actually make it bigger or smaller. And you can move it up,
那这一代的
make it bigger
把
again.
屏幕提升到5.5寸的 HD Super
Yeah,
AMOLED
rotate it.
那另外这一代还搭载了 1.6 GHz 的
Doing that. Wait.
四核心处理器，然后另外它的作业系统呢也是采取最新 Android 的 Jelly Bean 4.1。那另外这一支还有几个特色，包括说笔势感应，还有包括 Pop Up 的直屏画面。我讲到了Jelly Bean 4.1，准备变成。
Then you can rotate it.
开始讲它的。
Big again.